There is a man who has stood in every single room of my house. He knows where my doors are, where my cameras point, where the blind spots are, and for the last 4 months, he has been the #1 person opening my Instagram profile. No name, no photo, no message. Just my profile. Every night at 11:40. And here is the part I can't shake. I am the one who invited him in. It started after someone tried my back door at 2 in the morning. So I did the responsible thing. I paid a company to install security cameras, motion sensors, and a smart lock. A friendly technician spent a whole afternoon inside my home. He asked the easiest questions. Do you live alone? What's your work schedule? When is the house usually empty? I answered all of it. For the first time in weeks, I felt safe. Then I noticed the account. A blank profile, no name, no picture, right at the top of my visitor list. So I checked where the views were coming from. Every single one pinged from less than a mile away. The same few streets. My streets. And that is when everything clicked. Every little thing a stranger would ever need to walk into my life, I had already handed him. My schedule, every door and window, the exact nights I sleep alone. I wrote it on a form and I signed it myself. So I pulled up when the account was opening me. It was not random. The views spiked on the exact days I posted that I would be gone. Weekend trip, working late, home alone tonight. And on the nights I had friends over, nothing. Silence. It watched me only when I was alone. I finally used a tool that shows you who is really viewing your profile. And the blank account was not blank to it. It traced straight back to a real person. His profile, the technician I paid to keep me safe, and his saved photos were pictures of my own street. And I was not the only one. 2 women a few doors down had the exact same top visitor, the same nameless account, the same install company. We all paid the same man to feel safe in our own homes. So if an account with no name keeps opening your profile, please do not tell yourself it's nobody. Find out exactly who is watching you and when. The link is in the description.